Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my crib. Welcome to my crib. Just for the weekend. So we are in Sunshine Coast, specifically in Mululuba, and we have decided to have a weekend away, and we rented this lovely Airbnb. It's called Vacay Co. They're on Instagram and on Airbnb as well, and I just really love the style of of their Airbnb and just how airy it is, and it's just really cool, beautiful, and also very bit boho, but there's a bit of print as well. So we'll show you exactly what we're talking about. Let us introduce you to our Airbnb. First things first, the kitchen. I love that they've got this beautiful smoke oven, as well as the cooktop. It is huge. It's actually really inspiring me at the moment about maybe doing it for my house, but we'll see. This is really cute. A few pans. I love that they have the open shelving. It is really cool. It's really cute. I love that plant that's coming through. Some green vibes. Let's see, a microwave, the fridge. We don't need to show what is in there, and we've got a really cute little picnic situation here, a picnic basket. I wonder what's in there. I think it's just, oh, there we go. This is perfect. If you're feeling like you want to do a picnic, that's that. And then onto the living area, which is absolutely spacious. The rug feels really nice on the feet. I am loving the green couch. Green is definitely one of my favorite colors, and so thank you very much, Vacay Co. Obviously we've got the same is this bifolding doors? So we've got the same bifolding doors, which you can basically push all the way to the ends, and then you kind of have like inside outside type of vibe. As you can see through there is a fire pit, a man-made fire pit, which is really good and it's a bit cute. I actually really love that these plants are going up this building. I think that's pretty cool. It doesn't actually take much to impress me, to be honest. Okay, that's this side. Now let's go turn around to this side. It feels so nice to be tall for once. Oh, they've got the 5 love languages. That's something that we've done by Gary Chapman. If you're in a relationship and you have not done that, I highly recommend it. But yeah, I really like this idea that you can have a bookshelf up and just have a ladder. So it's really good use of space. Okay, but for now I'm gonna come down and back to being short, smelling everything on planet Earth. Okay, all right, let's go upstairs. I really love upstairs, and we get to see what's downstairs because it's one of those open plans. This roof is so so high up, it's crazy. And I really love that. It's just really expensive to be able to afford that, but I'm sure in the future we will. All right, first of all, I love these stairs. The tile that they've used, oh my goodness, I am all about printed tiles. You know, it takes the house to another level. It takes your decor to another level, and I think this is very Moroccan as well, and I have visited Morocco, one of my favorite countries, so let's go. Ta-da! So I love this space here. It's very, you know, first of all, it's nice and spacious and it's very minimalistic. The bed is quite low, which works so well for me, but probably not for Lawrence. And it's really, really, really big. I think it's probably king size or super king. But, you know, I love the bed stools, which is just, you know, timber, isn't it? Just like a timber log. I really love that. It's very earthy, very, you know, good for the environment. I'm loving the colors of the sheets and the, you know, just the bed linen, because that's how I roll as well at home. Bit of Moroccan inspired carpet, or it is a Moroccan carpet, but I don't know. And then every woman's dream is this beautiful huge mirror, which is just perfect for selfies, for making sure your outfit is on flick. Okay, so I'll try to do some selfies. I'm not really good at doing selfies, but we'll see. Okay, all right, into here. I actually really love this. Such a simple idea, but very practical. I've done this before for markets, like with my clothing brand. So really cool, small space, but I feel like they've used it really well. And then we've got also like a tiny mirror just on the side here, and lots of, ooh, there we go. We've got all the supplies here, all the supplies. This is amazing. And these robes, oh, pure linen. I can't wait to get myself in them. Let's see, what is in there? Oh yeah, beach towels. And that's my bag there, blow dryer, every woman's dream, especially when there's a pool and it's summer, even when it's raining. And then into here, the bathroom. I don't know how I feel about no borders around the bathroom, but we're on holidays and it doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm loving all of these, you know, organic body cleansers and stuff. This is like lemon and myrtle. We are in the process of building a house, so we're actually getting lots of inspiration. So, you know, we've heard about the concrete sinks and and baths and stuff like that, but we have not really seen a lot of it. So this is a really good idea. I quite like it actually. It is so, what would you say?
Oh, rustic?
Yeah, it's definitely rustic. Actually, this house is there's a bit of, you know, rusticness to it. But yeah, love it. Comment down below if you love this or not. But I definitely do. Whether we will incorporate it in the house that we built, I don't know, but love it. So another feature that I really love about this place here is the sliding barn door. It's really cool, especially for spaces that, you know, you don't necessarily need, you just need a little bit of privacy, but not too much, and you want a bit of style there. I think that the sliding barn doors are definitely the best. But if you want a bit more privacy, probably not, because it's very easy, obviously, to just, as you can see, so especially when you hit hard, it kind of just bounces back. So overall, it's a 10 out of 10 so far. I love the design of it, the style of the styling. I love that it's minimalist, but you know, like a few prints here and there. I love that there's pops of color as well. And unfortunately, as you have seen, you can book something and the weather you can't control. So currently it is profusely raining, which I'm so not impressed about, but we're gonna make most of our time here, and I would highly recommend that you come and stay in this place. It's not far from Brisbane, and so definitely check it out. We'll put the link down below. Alright guys, so we're gonna have dinner now, and it will be in an indoor picnic style, courtesy of Lubajo Food. So as you can see, we've just organized something really nice, especially since it's raining. If you guys want any more information, definitely contact us on our Instagram, Facebook, or on our website. Thank you. Good morning guys. So it is a beautiful day today, thankfully. It is not raining like yesterday, and so we're just about to have some breakfast, and then we will probably jump in the pool or chill by the pool, take a few photos, and I'm also going to be doing a lookbook of my swimsuits, especially one piece. So I'm going to be doing like a one-piece swimsuit because that's what I am into more than bikinis. I feel like my days of bikinis are gone. So yeah, I look forward to showing you guys what I'll be wearing this summer, because it's summer in Australia. So alright, I'll show you guys what we're eating for breakfast. So I've got some egg. I'm having a peppermint tea. Got some bread. This is a Lubajo food salad. It is the chickpea and pumpkin salad. Some homemade guacamole, the same chickpea and pumpkin salad. Lawrence is having his usual latte, and also some egg for him. Okay, and this is our view. That is amazing. Anyway, we're gonna dig in and then we will go to the pool because it is definitely calling my name.